Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cadet Jumbo Hooded Cat Litter Pan. You need your privacy when you're doing your business, and so does your cat. The Cadet scores the top spot on our best cat litter box list, because it has both a hood and a door to cover up your cat's business, but you can easily remove both when it's time to clean the box. It also has a built-in bag anchor, making it even easier to scoop out old litter and add new. You can add the included carbon filter to keep odors at bay. If you've got a cat who likes to kick up litter, the front door on this box does an excellent job of keeping the litter in the litter box and not on your floors. I love the handle for carrying the box, because it makes it easy to transport, our tester said. If your cat is not used to a door on a litter box, it might take a bit of time for them to get used to it, as it did for one of our tester kitties. It's worth the time, though, because the door helps contain mess and odor. Overall, this litter box got top scores across the board due to its high quality and great value. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Pan. Skip the scooping with this affordable Arm & Hammer sifting pan, which is actually made up of 3 boxes, 1 sifting and 2 regular. The whole system is made from recycled materials, so this is an eco-friendly option for cat owners. It has microban protection to prevent bacteria from forming and causing odors, so it's a win for your household, too. Our tester was surprised at how easy it was to clean this box. There was some concern that the holes in the sifting tray would become clogged, but that wasn't the case. However, one feline tester did seem to kick out more litter than usual after jumping out of the box, so this might not be the best choice if you've got a high-kicking cat. There's a bit of a learning curve if you're not used to sifting or having this many pans, but overall, our tester found it functional and a good value. They did say that it's best for cat owners, who aren't afraid to get a bit closer to the product, so keep that in mind before you purchase. At number 3, we have the Lucky Champ Cat Litter Pan. Your cat is a lucky champ indeed with this low-entry cat litter pan that's a particularly good choice for smaller cats or cats with limited mobility. This litter box is great for cats who need space in their litter, said our tester. They found the easy entry and exit space especially good for their senior cat, but it was also perfect for their younger cat. While the front is low enough to allow your cat to step in rather than jump in, there's a high back wall that helps the box contain the litter. The plastic pan is large and easy to clean, and it has rubber grips on the side that make it easy to move the box whenever and wherever you need it. There's no lid for this cat litter box, and the tester did note with some dismay that the plastic is shiny, so it might not work if you're looking for something more discreet. Still, if you are looking for a low-entry litter box for cats with limited mobility, this is the one for you. At number 2, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Complete Plus Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. As much as we love our feline friends, the odors that can waft from their litter box are, in a word, gross. As a foster parent to 2 cats myself, it feels like as soon as I've painstakingly scooped every bit of waste from their litter box, the telltale odor is back within the hour. The PetSafe ScoopFree Smart Covered Litter Box is a game changer. Our tester cat quickly felt comfortable using the automatic box, which emitted a low hum that didn't seem to faze our felines. And, best of all, our sensitive noses detected 0 smell. This box takes care of the usually disgusting daily task of scooping the litter for you, with an automatic scooping comb that senses when your cat is using the box and cleans up once they're finished and safely out of the box. It will only work with crystal litter, but you can use whatever brand of crystal litter that you like. The only time that the PetSafe litter box required any elbow grease on our part was during the monthly cleaning process, which turned out to be a bit of a hassle. Taking the waste box out of the machine proved somewhat complicated, and we spilled some litter on the floor in the process. But, in our opinion, that monthly cleaning is absolutely worth the odor-free. daily ease that the PetSafe ScoopFree Litterbox provides. And finally at number 1, we have the Petfibet Jumbo Hooded Cat Litter Box. Our tester thought this Petfibet litter box does a great job at containing the litter. The jumbo size makes it a good choice for larger cats, because they've got plenty of room to move around. It's easy to clean this Petfibet cat litter box with soap and water once you remove the lid. There are extra latches in case one snaps off, though that was not the case during testing. This litter box comes in bright colors like teal and purple, though there is a light gray color if you want something a little more low-key. Unlike others on this list that have hoods and lids, this one is clear. Depending on how much your cat likes his or her privacy and how much you want to keep your litter box hidden, the clear lid might not work for you. At the end of the day, this is really just a large plastic box with a clear lid, so it might feel a bit pricey if your cat is not super picky. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.